What is going on, guys? So it is a new month, it is July, but before we move on, I just want to take a look back at June and I just want to recap June's signals group results for you guys real quick. Um, and as you can see on the screen, I hope you can see this, it's not too small. We finished the month off with 19 wins, 3 losses, and 5 break-even trades called out live in the signals group Monday to Friday. Um, and basically I'm just really happy with how this month has gone. I think the results are pretty crazy. The results have clearly speak for themselves. This was our first month with the premium members in this premium group, and I think it went I think it went really well. I'm really happy with everything. It was a bit I was a bit nervous. It was a bit nerve-wracking at first doing something like this. It adds a lot of pressure to my trading now that a lot of people are watching me and counting on me. But I feel like I'm ready to step up. I'm ready to create my own journey and my own path. I truly, believe that everything happens for a reason. So I'm going with it. And yeah, I'm really happy with how last month went. I'm really excited for July. Um, so if you guys are interested, come and have a look. I have a free group as well. If you want to come and have a look around, scroll up, see my past posts. I used to post my setups and signals in there for free last month, so you can go back and check all those out. Check out the results. It's all there. The results speak for themselves. The proof is in the pudding, as people like to say. So if you guys are interested, come and have a look. Come and join up. Um, it's a decent price at the moment. Prices may go up soon in the future. Who knows? But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the premium channel or I'll see you in the free channel. Let's have a great month. Happy trading. Peace out.